Hello viewers, hope so all of you are fine. Today I am going to share with you the story of a successful person, a great leader, Muhammad Azim Malik Sahab, who is a professional trainer, folklore storyteller, poet and inspirational speaker who practiced local wisdom and created hundreds of successful entrepreneurs. Actually, viewers, I was also totally unaware about this great leader as I knew that he is also from my native city. So I started to take interest in their books, in their videos, and really got inspiration from him. And I want that all of you should also know about him and bring a new change in your life. I was reading the autobiography of Muhammad Azim Malik Sahab and I decided to share it with you. The very started line from his autobiography is that focus on changing yourself, not others. Focus on changing yourself, not others, and learn the art of living with your emotions and behaviors, not with people. Believe in that change is a gradual process. People will be changed automatically. Very beautiful lines. Azam Sahab is a trainer by profession and motivational speaker, gender activist, livelihood, enterprise development, and value chain expert. He has done his masters from Government College University Lahore and MBA from PCBI. He studied social engineering for participatory development at National Institute of Social Engineering and he attended courses on how to start a new business from University of Maryland, United States of America. Azam Sahab worked with Delhi Jung in the Frontier Post, Delhi, Pakistan and Khalij Today and the founder of Farrukhabad Press Club. His unique skill is converting local wisdom into the self-awareness tools. His growth process started from a small town, Farrukhabad Sheikhupura, a town adjacent to Lahore. His more than 20 years of transformational change journey brought him to the position of CEO of his own business and philanthropic initiative Sangat. He is the founder of CEO of Consultancies Private Limited and an author of 3 best-selling books. He is the founder of Punjabika University to promote and advocate for Punjabi language across the globe. Actually, Azam Sahab has his strong grip on exploring personal potential and converting challenges into opportunities. He first started working on his children who are now leading few of world's best entrepreneurial projects and traveling around the world. He has a long list of his clients including UNDP, UNOPs, the Asia Foundation, National Rural Sport Program, Benazir Income Sport Program, and Human Resources Learning Center, Complete Human Resources Solutions and Possibilities, etc. etc. Azam Sahab promotes the philosophy of you can earn everything. You can earn